I'm Corbett Wall with DV Auction, here with your 3-minute cattle market update for Wednesday, December the 23rd. And Santa Claus come a little bit early this year and brought a remarkable rally here in the board right before the holiday break there. And it wasn't hard for us to find all this uprise in the board because it's been oversold so hard, but really impressive to see it continue. Live cattle on Monday opened the week up 325 after being up the limit on Friday. Tuesday was up $2.20, so ended on Tuesday at 125.60 for the December contract. Could see some deliveries because there's no way that packers are going to give that kind of money for fat cattle this week. And it's not uncommon to see some deliveries on that December contract. But February and April board was both up well over $4. Feeder cattle on Monday were up $6.75 up after being up $4.50 on Friday. Tuesday was up $3.15 on the January contract. To close on Tuesday at $158.65, which is well above where cattle have been trading here in the auctions on a 750-pound steer. Weighted average for live cattle trade last week on 67,000 head was on live basis for steers 116.64, which was down $1.51. Dress trade was 183.44, which was down 366. But haven't had any trade so far this week. It's going to be well higher. The Southern Plains feedlots have already passed on $1.20. So we know it's going to be at least $4 or $5 higher, and there may not be any significant trade because we've got such light kills for the next 2 weeks. But these feeder cattle are going to get higher when the trade resumes. We've pretty much shut down for the holidays now. Joplin did have a decent sale on Monday, had around 2,500 head. Called the calves $10 to $20 higher and the yearlings $5 to $8 higher. But if you look at the Cattle Market Central market report out of Joplin on Monday there, it looked like some of those calves were even higher than that. Some up there well over $20 higher. But really, these calves especially are itching to get higher. If we could continue to see some support on the board, and it really doesn't have to get a whole lot higher, if we could just keep from going down the limit for several sessions and continuing to show some support there, these calves are going to get a lot higher. We're not worried about the heavy supplies coming anymore because we've already dipped below where we thought we were going to fall. So now we're just excited about this little rally we've seen here. But we haven't seen a big rush to spend money at the very end of the year, people coming in and buying bred cows and things like that like we normally do, because quite frankly, most everybody's lost money this year, especially those that are handling cattle and diversified farmers too. You look at Cattle Market Central on another Monday market at the Tri-State Livestock Market in McCook, Nebraska. They had 60 head of steers on Monday, weighed 523, bring 213.10. Now that's 20 bucks higher right there too. So look for a big rally if something doesn't happen between now and going through the Christmas holidays. But I'm going to take a little time off as there's not going to be any trade for a while, so I probably won't talk to you for a week until next Wednesday. All of us here at DV Auction, we wish you a Merry Christmas full of Jesus and family, and we're not afraid to say that here at DV Auction. So have a good one, enjoy it, and we'll talk to you next week.